welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you my Ninjago Rainforest. This is my latest created project. It is a rainforest. It consists of all kinds of animals and a big waterfall. And these are the protectors who protect the Ninjago protectors who protect the rainforest from any kind of danger. This is the villain which I am going to tell about. His name is the Rayu Fireman. He always wants to destroy the rainforest and keep it on fire and wants to rule it. But my Ninjago protectors Ninjago superheroes are really active and can defeat him. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.